Hi, this is Hadas from Mike in Canva, and I'd like to show you one more feature that Canva has just launched, and that would be the Translate. You can now translate any template to over 100 languages. It's super easy. You have 500 attempts per month, and let me show you how that works. So you can open up any template you like, and I'm just going to pick this template, and now I'm just going to the black bar, and I will look for the Translate tab. If you don't have the Translate tab, just go to Apps, and fetch it from here. There it is, Translate. Now what you have to do is translate from automatically detect, which is what I have on the canvas right now, translate to whichever language you want to translate this to. So let's say I want to translate this to Hebrew. There it is. Apply to page number 1 and translate. And let the magic begin. There it is. I can confirm that the translation was 100% correct. Super easy. Wow, Canva, thank you so much. So just in case you haven't tried out Canva Pro yet and you'd like to give it a go, I'm happy to give you 45 days for free. Just scan the QR code on your screen and start designing. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.